So hi there, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing really well, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase Shopify store sales with YouTube without running ads, and with the help of Fiverr and keyword finder tool, and without wasting any time. Let's get started. So first of all, I would like to show you my personal results that I've gotten with this method, so that you actually can believe that this method actually works. So this is the amount of sales that I've made in the last 90 days, and if I scroll down, you will see that out of $2,500, 650 US dollars have been earned with that very YouTube traffic source. And I would say a lot of traffic wasn't even counted that came from YouTube, because either the customer directly typed my website's name, or Shopify simply didn't track it. So the direct sales that you are seeing here, a big chunk of this also came from YouTube. In my opinion, I guess around 80% of the direct sales that came, it came from YouTube. So what I basically did was, first of all, I went on to a keyword research tool. This tool is called Keyword Finder, and here basically I typed the problem that my product can solve. So let's say that you are selling waist trainers on your website, and that product basically helps you in making your waist look smaller. So what I'm going to type here is, I'm going to type how to make your waist look slimmer, because this is the problem that our product will solve. So let me just click on find keywords, and now you're gonna find a bunch of keywords that would match the question. So there you go, around 10 people per month are searching for this very question. And likewise you will get a lot of keyword ideas that you can use on YouTube for your video, that I'll be talking about later in the video. So here you'll find a lot of keywords that would be relevant to your product, and the problem would be solved by your product. So just make sure that whatever keyword you choose here has low difficulty, and also a combination of good search volume. So you can simply sort it by keyword difficulty, and after this you can simply look for the keywords that have low difficulty with good amount of search volume. So there you go. Here is one of the keywords that looks good to me. It has only 23 keyword difficulty, and 670 people search for this keyword every single month. And likewise you can also see some other relevant keywords to your question. So make sure that you have relevant questions that your product can solve and can answer. So once you have a good question that your product can solve, then simply head over to Fiverr, and from here basically what you want to do is, you want to hire a freelancer that can review your product, and also tell about the problem that your product basically solves. So let's say if you want to hire someone who can advertise your waist trainer and can review your product, then what I'm gonna do here is, I'm gonna type for product review by a female, and there you go. Here you'll find a lot of females that would be interested in reviewing your product. And basically you can pay anywhere from $40 to $60 for the review of your product, and you can send them your product, and they can make a video covering telling about your product, doing a basic review, as well as telling about your problem that your product solves. And they would be able to deliver your video in like a few days. And once you get the video done, Then you can simply upload it on YouTube with relevant keyword titles that you are seeing here, or the relevant keywords that you are seeing here that would be relevant for your product. And this is how I was able to generate this much amount of sales with YouTube traffic source without advertising my product on YouTube. Now, another thing that I would like to say here is that don't expect quick results from this. This will take some time. YouTube will take some time to send you traffic. Just make sure that you keep on consistently uploading videos on YouTube, either yourself, or you get it made from a freelancer from Fiverr, because this will definitely help in boosting the credibility for your brand, as well as you would be able to gain some subscribers in the long term. And let me show you the YouTube channel statistics that for this very brand that I'm getting the videos made for. So let me just show you my YouTube channel for this brand. Alright, so there you go. Here is the YouTube channel statistics in the last 28 days. As you can see that I've gotten like around 3000 views, 32.6 hours of watch time, and 12 subscribers in the past 28 days. Let me simply show you some more statistics. So I'm gonna set it to last 365 days, and you can see that I started uploading videos like at around last year in around I guess August or July, and then I started uploading more videos recently, and you can see that the traffic has been growing gradually because the content of the video is really good and it is engaging. So that is the reason why YouTube is promoting my videos in the suggested section, as well as it is being shown when people search for the actual problem or for the product review keyword. So yeah, this is how basically I am able to get some traffic from YouTube, which is converting pretty well for me. So yeah guys, that is about it for this video. I really hope that you got some value out of this one. In case you did, then don't forget to hit the like button below, and also subscribe to the channel for more such videos in the future. Thank you.